Hey there, and welcome to this installment of Trumpet's Bite-Sized Behavior Analysis, a series where we deliver quick, helpful ABA tips for parents and caregivers. In this video, we're serving up information about using high-probability request sequences, a simple strategy you can use to gain your child's compliance with more difficult tasks by using easier tasks to build momentum. As service providers and caregivers, we've all experienced that dreaded time of day when you have to ask your child to complete one of their most challenging or least preferred tasks. You know what's going to happen. Tears, whining, crying, and that's just us. But seriously, those most difficult and least favorite tasks are likely to result in your child engaging in challenging problem behavior in an attempt to avoid doing the hard stuff. In behavior analysis, when asking patients to complete these non-preferred tasks, we use a strategy called high-probability request sequence, or behavioral momentum, to offset problem behavior and establish compliance. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to have a stash of easy requests to rotate through that you know your child can do quickly, easily, and independently. You'll want to have those ready when you have a more challenging task you need to present. When you're ready to ask your child to complete the difficult request, start by presenting 2 or 3 of your stashed, easier requests. Provide high-quality praise to your child each time they correctly complete one of those tasks. Then, throw in that more challenging request. If your child complies and responds correctly, provide lots of praise in a preferred item or activity. If your child doesn't respond appropriately or engages in challenging behaviors, start this process over. Go back to presenting a few easy tasks in succession before trying again to present that more difficult task. The ultimate idea is that you want your child to be successful and earn reinforcement first before asking them to do something a little more difficult. There you have it, behavioral momentum. A quick and easy strategy you can use to minimize problem behavior and help your child successfully complete tasks they find challenging or non-preferred. We hope you enjoyed this quick bite of information. As always, you can reach out to your clinical team with any questions or for any additional support. Thanks for watching!